Seneta Nandi Samson Cherargei dwaro mondo gai mar Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance Raila Odinga ochiw luor ne jatend piny Kenya. Kan lose alame kar chuod bura ma Chesumei, Cherargei ose Odinga kuom dok e weche mag yiero moyango ni ne oserumo ka koro piny owacho onego mi thuolo mar tiyo ne oganda. Ose okang' mar dwaro kawo okang' ne jood bura mag ODM manowendo jatend piny Kenya kar jot mare koyango ni kar jot no en kar jotelo duto kod oganda duto madwaro limo.
William Ruto is the president for all Kenyans who voted for him or who did not vote for him. And therefore, it is only fair that you allow members of parliament from any political party to meet the president, because State House is a public office. It is not a private entity. I want to ask my brother Raila Odinga, you are a statesman. Can you stop these things of undermining the will of Kenyans? Because the votes of Kenya is the voice of God, and the Kenyans voted for the benefit of our republic. So wewe sunguka Kenya mzima, uende mpaka wapi, lakini I want to assure you, William Ruto is not a person you can intimidate or blackmail. He will transform Kenyans. And we are aware that wewe uko na Masanbalat na Tobias. William Ruto hatasikia maneno yako, ataendelea kufanya kazi kwa ajili ya watu ya Kenya. Na tunajua hii mambo ya IBC wanasema. IBC, we pass the law, me and Mheshimiwa in parliament. Let the selection of IBC commissioners ongoing, regardless of the IPPG that they are trying to push. Because we are moving away